You have access to a wide range of career opportunities here in the Philippines. That's why we invite you to register at PhilJobNet, the country's premier online job portal that connects job seekers like you with reputable employers across various industries, especially on vacancies coming from the Department of Health. The DOLE, in partnership with the Department of Health and the Professional Regulation Commission, is collaborating to facilitate and link employment opportunities to you, our newly licensed professionals. By registering at PhilJobNet, you will gain access to thousands of job listings, explore numerous job vacancies in the healthcare sector, among others, and our platform is regularly updated with new opportunities to suit your skills and preferences. Customized job alerts, stay informed about the latest job openings that match your qualifications, and receive notifications so you never miss a potential opportunity. Easy application process. Apply to your desired positions with just a few clicks. PhilJobNet streamlines the application process, making it convenient for you to submit your applications. Job fair announcements. Be the first to know about upcoming job fairs and recruitment events in your area. These events offer face-to-face interactions with potential employers and can be a valuable networking opportunity. To register, simply visit the PhilJobNet website at www.philjobnet.gov.ph and create your account. It's a quick and straightforward process that opens doors to a plethora of career possibilities. Your skills, expertise, and compassionate nature as nurses are highly sought after in the job market, and we are confident that PhilJobNet will help you find the perfect fit for your professional growth. We look forward to seeing you thrive and make a positive impact on our nation's healthcare sector. Congratulations once again and best wishes for a successful, fulfilling career.